Welcome back to Princess Chess Corner. Chess still needs a new chess piece, the princess. This one is a real chess.com human game from the signed Florian Asnaprick account, not a guessboard. Florian is white, rated 125 after the game. Mr. Vlady T is black, rated 237 after the game. It is 3-minute blitz, Vanguard opening, and black wins by checkmate in 15 moves. The tiny lesson is development before second drama. Florian starts with knight jumps, then a queen check, then a queen trade, then bishop checks. Some of those moves are forcing, and forcing moves feel royal. The problem is that the rest of the court never arrives. Look at the pattern around moves 6 through 11. White checks with q of 4, grabs on d7, checks with bb5, takes on c6, and then plays a4. Meanwhile, black is collecting tempos, opening lines, and the white king is about to become the main character. By move 12, the checks are coming with interest. kd1, then nxg2, f4, nxh1 check, kc2, ne4 check, and finally d3, nxd3 mate. That is not one blunder. That is a whole opening saying, please develop a bishop before starting another side quest. Princess rule, after one flashy move, make 2 boring useful moves. Develop, castle or shelter the king, and ask what checks the opponent has. The princess can sparkle later. First, the castle needs walls. Like, subscribe, and tell me whether the next Princess Chess Corner should be openings, tactics, endgames, or the completely illegal princess piece.